I want to show you a core exercise using the ball. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lie down on the ground and I'm going to take the ball and squeeze it between my legs. Head comes down onto the ground. I'm going to raise the ball up so that my feet are facing straight up to the ceiling. Once my feet are up to the ceiling, I'm going to crunch up and grab that ball from between my legs. Feet are going to come together. Simultaneously, arms and feet are going to come down. And then I'm just going to reverse that motion, trading the ball from my feet to my arms. Looks something like this in full motion. Nice and slow and steady. Your goal here is to keep your lower back flat on the floor at all times. If you feel like your lower back is creating a big arch, so if it does this and I could stick my hand underneath your lower back, we want to avoid that. So what you can modify this is just to do little motions like this. Might look like maybe half of the full motion. And then you're able to keep your lower back on the floor. So that's called abdominal ball pass.